Hey everyone! Tired of struggling with complicated lead generation tools? You're not alone. Imagine trying to build a simple landing page, but it feels like climbing a mountain blindfolded. That's where Subpage comes to the rescue. With Subpage, you can create, gate, and collect leads in just a few clicks without coding or design skills. Plus, it's powered by AI. Today, we'll explore the Subpage Lifetime Deal, a game changer for content creators, marketers, and solopreneurs. Don't miss this exclusive one-time offer. Let's dive in and see how Subpage can simplify your marketing efforts. What is Subpage? Ever struggled to create high-converting lead magnets without the hassle of coding or complex tools? Subpage makes it effortless. With Subpage, you can quickly build interactive lead magnets, gate content, and capture leads all in just a few clicks. Easily customize pages with colors, fonts, and layouts that match your brand. Add multimedia like images and videos to keep visitors engaged. Plus, with AI-powered features, you can generate multi-tab lead magnets instantly. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or solopreneur, Subpage simplifies lead generation like never before. Get the best lifetime deals on AppSumo before they're gone. The regular pricing for tools like this can be hundreds of dollars annually, but AppSumo is offering a lifetime deal starting at just $59, one-time payment, no recurring fees. Now, let's break down all the features you'll get in this deal. Subpage lifetime deal plans and pricing. There are 3 plans available, each with incredible value. Plan 1, $59, originally $348. Offering 1 organization owner, 20 invited users per organization, unlimited lead magnets, unlimited access to analytics, unlimited access to leads, custom subdomain support, white label, premium integrations included. Plan 2, $118, originally $696. Everything in Plan 1, plus, manage up to 3 organizations instead of 1. Plan 3, $177, originally $1,044. Everything in Plan 1 and 2, plus, manage up to 10 organizations instead of 3. Limited time special pricing starting at $59. Get it now before the deal disappears. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. 6 most important features that make Subpage special. AI-powered lead magnet creation. Subpage AI helps you create interactive lead magnets instantly. Powerful lead gating. Capture emails before users see your lead magnets, ensuring you collect high-quality leads. Export and analyze leads. Gather leads and export them to tools like Zapier, ConvertKit, and more. Seamless integrations. Subpage connects with all your favorite tools, including Zapier, webhooks, OpenAI, GPT-4, and more. Custom branding and white label. Customize your lead magnets to match your brand's colors, fonts, and style. No-code simplicity. The Subpage is drag-and-drop easy, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. People who can benefit from Subpage. Content creators, digital marketers, solopreneurs, coaches and consultants, small business owners, course creators and educators, agencies and freelancers. Do you fit the bill, or know someone who does? Then Subpage is the perfect solution for you. AppSumo exclusive, enjoy an additional 10% off. Got your eyes on the Subpage lifetime deal over at AppSumo? Wait, I have great news for you. You can save an additional 10% on your purchase. How to claim your extra discount? Visit the Subpage lifetime deal offer on AppSumo. Look out for a pop-up discount bar. Enter your active email address. Use the same email at checkout. Check your email for a 10% off promo code. Reviews on Subpage lifetime deal, real users speak. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. So, what are you waiting for? This is a one-time lifetime deal. Grab it before it's gone. Check out the description for more details on the AppSumo offer. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech deals. Get the Subpage lifetime deal today and level up your marketing game.